What up guys, my name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and in this video I am going to give you a virtual tour through the brand new Deberoo Suite. So let's dive in. Alright, so I'm at the dashboard of the brand new Deberoo Suite, and since we just recently launched this new platform, I'm going to give you a short virtual tour through the Deberoo Suite. So here we are at the dashboard. This is the home of every Deberoo Suite affiliate marketer. Here you will get all the information in a short overview, everything that you need before you dive in deeper, just to get you up to date. So first we have the tracker right here. As you can see, I don't have any campaigns live just yet to show you, but here you'll get an overview of how your campaigns are performing up to this moment. So you get a little bit more information on your campaigns before you dive in deeper. Then on the left we have the most recent community posts, and I'll show you the inside of the community a little bit later, but here is a great way to stay up to date about what's happening in the community. Then underneath here you can see we have some more masterminds coming soon, more on that later this year. Here we have an overview of the event calendar, and we have the most used templates, a list of the templates that has been used most by our users. But let's go to the advertising suite. So at the top bar we have three different suites: the advertising suite, the community suite, and the education suite. Let's start with the advertising suite. This is the suite where you will probably spend most of your time. Here is all the software that you need for a successful affiliate marketing campaign. Starting with the landing page builder. The landing page builder allows you to simply upload and edit every lander that you want. Let's start with the landing page templates. Here you will find a long list of templates that you can use for your affiliate marketing campaign. They all have a name which suggests what kind of lander it is. For this one, for example, is a branded quiz, and underneath that there is a tag for what it's most likely to be used for. In this case, sweepstakes, but you can also see Nutra right here, casino right here. So this gives you an indication of what kind of lander you are looking for and easily find the right pick. However, that doesn't mean you cannot use it for another vertical, of course. You might want to just edit it yourself and make it perfect for a totally different vertical. You're totally free to do that. If you're into the adult or adult dating kind of niche, make sure that you checkmark this box right here, show non-suitable for work landers. This will include the templates that are maybe less, suitable for work. So if you're in a public place or whatever, you want to turn this off. If you're into adult or adult dating kind of vertical, then make sure it's turned on to find the perfect landers for your vertical. As soon as you created a landing page, the landing page builder will ask you to give it a name. And as soon as you've done that, you can find your lander back at My Landing Pages. Here you can see an overview of all the landing pages that you've created in the past and that you have saved. You can simply edit it by clicking on Edit, or publish it live if you have a domain connected. You can also delete it if you no longer use it. And if you want to know how to get everything set up, etc., you can go to the Getting Started page or go to the knowledge base by clicking on the question mark above. Let's move on to the tracker. So if you have the tracker, if you click on the tracker, you will go to a sign up form, whether you want to basically migrate your volume account to the Deberoo Suite, or if you want to set up a new account. And as soon as you've done that, it will just take a couple of days to migrate your new account or your old account into the tracker, and then the tracker will become available to you. Then we have the Cash Flow Manager, and the Cash Flow Manager is a great tool to manage your finances. This will give you an overview of how much you can spend in your campaign with your current budget. So let me give you an example. For example, we have $1,000 that we want to spend. We're aiming for a 30% ROI. So that will basically look like this, 1.3. 1.0 is the break-even point, so 1.3 is 30% ROI. The amount of days, how long are you looking to basically run this campaign? So let's say 1 full month, 31 days. The net payout days is how many days does it take from affiliate network to actually getting the money on your account. Right? So that transaction might take a couple of days, maybe 2, maybe 3, whatever it is. You fill that out right here. Do you get paid monthly or weekly? You can select that here. This makes a huge difference on your cash flow, so make sure you check out the appropriate payout terms. And then when you press calculate, the cash flow manager will do the work for you. Based on a budget of $1,000, the cash flow manager suggests we spend $111 a day with a 30% ROI that will give us a revenue of $144. This will continue for the first 7 days. The first 7 days, that's the point where with a weekly payout, your affiliate network will pay out your revenue. However, we told the cash flow manager that it's going to take them up to 2 days. So the first 7 days we made some revenue. The 8th day is going into the 2nd week, but we don't have the first week paid out yet. The same goes for the 9th day, and at the end of the 9th day we get a payout of $1,011. That's basically the payout of the first 7 days. Meaning that starting from day 10, we now have a bigger budget because we made some profit. So the budget for this campaign increases, which also means we can increase our spend to also increase our revenue for this week. So the spend goes to 144 and the revenue, therefore, with a 30% ROI goes to $187. Etc., etc., until the next payout, which is on day 16, and then it will increase again, etc. You can save this calculation to your history to basically go back to it a couple weeks later to see if everything still checks out and if you're still on the appropriate calculation. Now let's move on to the community. The community is basically a forum for all the Deberoo Suite users. You can find very useful information here. You can ask questions, share your results, etc., etc. So it's a very engaged community with all kinds of affiliate marketers, from rookies to master affiliates to affiliates with quite some experience, from push to pop, from native to Facebook. Everybody is in the community. So if you have any questions or you want any advice, make sure to shoot a topic online inside the community. Then we have the event calendar, also a part of the community suite. In the event calendar, you will find upcoming events near you or maybe somewhere else around the world. So we have the event overview. You can easily see what kind of events are added right now. I should add a little note that because of COVID-19, it might be that some of these events get cancelled or delayed. However, you can also check them out in the calendar view. So in January, we don't have any events, but in February, we have one event right here, which is the Affiliate Summit West in Las Vegas, Nevada. So that is that. And under education, you can see we have free trainings available. We have starter courses, the advanced courses. We're still recording these because every content in the education suite is content based on 2021. So it's fresh content, fully up to date, which is awesome. So you can definitely use this information for your marketing strategies in 2021. However, it will take us a little bit more time because there's a lot of content in the advanced course. I believe it's like around 20 hours of content that we already shot. So it's a lot of content, fresh content. So it will take us a couple more days and then the advanced course will become available to you as well. And then we have the project 3980. And that's basically our coaching. So if you like to get coached by one of our super affiliates, by Colin or by me or one of the other coaches, make sure to go to the Deberoo Suite and go to Project 3980 to get your coaching going and to basically scale up your learning course. And then if you have any questions or you want to know how to do something in the Deberoo Suite, simply use the knowledge base by pressing on the question mark right here, and you can search for any kind of questions. For example, maybe I want to know how to connect my AWS. I type in AWS, how to connect AWS, how to set up AWS, how to set up a custom domain with AWS inside the tracker. You find a lot of information here. And if you don't get an answer on your specific question, you can always open the chat box here and chat with the Deberoo support. So that's going to be it for this video. Check out more on the Deberoo Suite by going to deberoo.com and simply experience it yourself. That's going to be it for this one. I will catch you next time. Peace out.